Are you selling your home? The spring market is coming up and you're going to get a lot of competition on the market. It's really important that your home stands out in the market and it's buyer ready. I once had a seller who put their house on the market. It wasn't selling for anything. And what we did is we got cleaners in there, and the cleaners did a thorough cleaning of the house, and we did carpet cleaning, and lo and behold, it sold within a matter of a few weeks. Here are 5 tips on how to get your house ready for sale. Tip number 1 is cleaning. Buyers never want to buy a dirty house. It's important that the house is immaculately clean. Tip number 2 is decluttering. Remove any personal items, remove any political items the way our environment and politics is right now, and remove anything that looks out of place in the room, that hides the room and hides the flow of the house. Number 3 is arranging the furniture. Arranging the furniture so it's not kind of like blocking a sliding door, or it's not like overpowering the room. You want the room to shine, not the furniture to overpower the room. Number 4 is the real estate agent's responsibility is to market the home. There's a lot that goes into marketing. Marketing is a big thing, and make sure that your realtor puts a lot of money into marketing the home. I have a 91-point marketing plan that includes everything. It includes Zillow Showcase. It includes professional photography, drone pictures, twilight pictures, curating it so it flows with the house. When people look at a house, they want to see from stepping in the house how it would look as they're actually stepping into the house. So you want the photography to flow really nicely. And then, there's so much marketing that you can do. You can market on all of the social media websites. You can do email campaigns with huge databases of email. You can even send emails out to all of the real estate agents in your region, or in San Francisco, in Los Angeles, so they get to see the property. You can also do Nextdoor ads. I love Nextdoor ads for putting open houses on Nextdoor advertising. There's just so much that you can do with marketing. Number 5 is to price the house right. It is so important because buyers are out there. They're looking at properties all of the time. They're trying to find the best property for themselves. And when they see something new that comes up, it piques their interest right away. And that is a time when something new comes up, that's a time when you want to catch the buyer's interest. And if you look at a chart, you see that most of the views come right in the beginning, the first 2 weeks when a property is on the market. That's the time that you want to get it priced right. And pricing is a whole new category. I can spend a whole other video showing you how to price property right. Secret tip number 6, work with the right agent. For anybody that responds to this video, I'm offering free house cleaning by professional cleaners and free carpet cleaning. Also, if needed, I'm offering free window cleaning. Spring is coming, and if you're thinking about buying or selling a property, please reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help you with your real estate needs.